Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow OEM unlock. This lets you flash custom software. Once done, back up everything because unlocking the bootloader erases user data. Make sure important files are safe. Then install ADB and Fastboot on your computer and verify your phone shows up with a DB devices. This confirms connectivity. You do this first because a stable host environment and an unlocked bootloader. Next, you obtain a device-specific Android 13 custom ROM and any required vendor blobs. Compatibility matters, so verify model and codename. Once ready, flash a custom recovery such as TWRP using Fastboot Flash Recovery. This recovery will let you sideload the ROM safely. Then boot recovery, perform a cache and Dalvik wipe, sideload the ROM zip, and flash vendor blobs and G-apps if you want Google services. You do these steps in order to ensure the system, vendor, and apps match and boot correctly. Finally, you reboot and expect a long first boot, usually 5 to 15 minutes, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. If you hit a boot loop, go back into recovery and restore your backup, or reflash the vendor firmware and boot images. Mismatched blobs are the most common cause. Make sure all hardware functions, Wi-Fi, modem, cameras, work, and only relock the bootloader after you confirm stability. This sequence protects your device and gives you a clear rollback if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.